If you create a problem, naturally, you get to create the solution. Hey, I'm Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and that seems to be what's happening right now. The FDA just approved a feed additive for cows called Bovaer, Bovaer. It comes out of the Netherlands, and it is an enzyme inhibitor that prevents the conversion of carbon into methane gas in the stomachs of cows. Okay, why do we care? They say this is important to decrease the amount of methane that cows emit by 67%, I think is the number that they quote. So why do we care? Methane is actually an important part of the carbon cycle in this planet. The waters of this earth will bind carbon dioxide as a carbon sink. The earth binds methane as a methane carbon sink. The plants can use both carbon dioxide and methane to fix in photosynthesis. And so why would we want to deprive the earth of carbon? It's a necessary element. And then what happens to the cow who no longer can release carbon out of its system? The enzymatic reaction that takes place by the microbiome of the average cow's stomach is to take the acid of the stomach, carbon-based plant material, and then instead of leaving it as carbon dioxide, it binds with the acid, the carbon binds with the acid and becomes methane. So what happens to the cow if the acid is still there? Does that change the pH of the cow? What is this molecule that they're using and how is it presented to the animals? Does that represent a threat to the cow or to the farmer? Now, there's a lot of political debate, and the company that makes this substance has published papers describing the methane situation. There have been outside studies that seem to suggest that this compound is finding itself into the meat and the milk of the animals. And because there is a debate, people are naturally a little nervous about putting this feed into the animals. In Europe, it has already been approved. There are protests going on as a result. What I find interesting is that the farms that are utilizing this substance seem to still be labeling their milk as organic, and that does not seem like an organic thing to feed a cow. So it'll be interesting to see how this whole thing plays out. The company that makes this enzyme says that it naturally breaks down, does not show up in the meat or the milk. It just lowers the methane. I, on the other hand, happen to think, and that may be true, but why, to me, it seems why take the risk? I don't know that we need to alter the digestion of cows. Like we have enough problems digesting our food. Do we really need to give the cows indigestion? That's, I guess, the question that I have. Methane's not your enemy. It's not a problem we need a solution to. This is one solution we may not need.